Titanium is one of the few materials humans treat almost like science fiction. It flies through the atmosphere at thousands of kilometers per hour, survives inside violent jet engines, resists seawater for decades, and can even live inside the human body without being rejected. But there's something strange about titanium. For a metal so valuable, producing it is unbelievably difficult. In fact, making titanium is so complicated that for years engineers considered it too expensive for widespread industrial use. Even today, creating usable titanium requires dangerous chemicals, massive amounts of energy, and some of the most advanced manufacturing systems on Earth. To understand why this metal became essential to aerospace, medicine, and modern engineering, we first need to understand the problem hiding inside the Earth itself. Titanium doesn't exist underground as shiny metal waiting to be discovered. Instead, it's trapped inside minerals, chemically bonded to oxygen so tightly that separating it becomes incredibly difficult. And that challenge is exactly what makes titanium production so fascinating. The journey begins in enormous mining operations spread across different parts of the world. Countries such as Australia, South Africa, China, and Canada contain major deposits of titanium-rich minerals. In some places, the ore is buried deep underground. In others, it exists in mineral sands near coastlines. At first glance, these deposits look ordinary. There's no obvious sign that one of the world's most important engineering materials is hiding inside them. Giant excavators dig up tons of earth, while conveyor systems transport raw material to processing facilities where the separation process begins. The extracted material contains minerals like rutile and ilmenite, both rich in titanium compounds. But they're mixed with unwanted sand, rock, and other metals. Industrial systems crush the ore, wash it, and separate valuable particles using magnets, gravity systems, and chemical treatment methods. Even after all this refining, manufacturers still don't have usable titanium metal. They only have concentrated ore, and turning that ore into actual titanium is where things become extremely difficult. Unlike iron, aluminum, or copper, titanium cannot simply be melted out of rock using traditional furnaces. The reason comes down to chemistry. Titanium is highly reactive. When heated, it aggressively bonds with oxygen, nitrogen, and even hydrogen. If engineers attempt to process it carelessly, the metal becomes brittle and useless. This means every stage of production must happen in carefully controlled environments. If you're enjoying this deep dive into how titanium is actually made, make sure to like the video and subscribe. These materials shape the modern world, and there are many more engineering stories hiding behind everyday technology. For decades, scientists struggled to find a practical way to isolate titanium efficiently. The breakthrough finally came through a process that changed modern industry forever. The first step involves transforming titanium ore into an entirely different chemical substance. Under the heat, titanium compounds inside the ore combine with chlorine, creating titanium tetrachloride. This chemical is nothing like finished titanium metal. It's actually a transparent liquid. The liquid then goes through multiple purification stages. Any remaining contaminants must be removed because even tiny impurities can weaken the final metal. After purification, engineers move to one of the most important stages in the entire process: reduction. Titanium tetrachloride is placed into sealed reactors where it reacts with molten magnesium under intense heat. During this reaction, magnesium strips away chlorine atoms and leaves behind metallic titanium. But the result isn't smooth or polished. Instead, it forms strange porous chunks known as titanium sponge. Yet this sponge represents one of the most valuable stages of titanium manufacturing, because it's finally real metallic titanium. Even now, though, it's still nowhere near ready for aircraft or medical implants. Titanium sponge must be transformed into dense, ultra-pure metal capable of surviving extreme environments. And doing that requires another level of engineering. The sponge is compressed and prepared for melting inside giant vacuum furnaces. These furnaces operate under carefully controlled conditions because titanium becomes dangerously reactive at high temperatures. Even small amounts of contamination could ruin entire batches worth millions of dollars. Inside the furnace, electric arcs or electron beams generate temperatures powerful enough to melt the titanium completely. Molten titanium glows with an intense brightness as impurities are removed and alloying elements are added. Once refined, the molten metal is poured into enormous molds, forming giant titanium ingots. These solid blocks become the starting point for countless high-performance products. But titanium is notoriously difficult to shape. Its strength and heat resistance make machining far harder than working with steel or aluminum. Cutting tools wear out quickly, temperatures rise fast, and precision becomes critical. Factories use powerful forging presses to reshape heated titanium ingots under massive force. Rolling machines flatten them into sheets, while extrusion systems push heated metal through specially designed openings to create rods, tubes, and structural components. Every stage requires accuracy because many titanium parts are destined for environments where failure is not an option. Modern jet engines contain titanium components capable of surviving enormous stress and extreme heat. Aircraft frames use titanium to reduce weight while maintaining structural integrity. Spacecraft also depend heavily on titanium because the metal performs reliably under brutal conditions. Military technology pushed titanium development even further. High-speed aircraft, submarines, and advanced defense systems all benefited from titanium's unusual combination of durability and low weight. But aerospace is only part of the story. Titanium also changed medicine in remarkable ways. Most metals react badly inside the human body over time. Titanium behaves differently. Bone can actually bond with it, allowing implants to integrate naturally with human tissue. This made titanium ideal for artificial joints, dental implants, surgical screws, and medical devices designed to remain inside patients for years or even decades. At the same time, luxury industries discovered titanium for completely different reasons. Its dark, metallic appearance, corrosion resistance, and lightweight feel made it attractive for watches, jewelry, and premium consumer products. High-performance bicycles, racing cars, and sports equipment also adopted titanium to reduce weight while maintaining strength. But despite all these advantages, titanium still comes with a major downside: cost. Producing titanium requires enormous amounts of energy, advanced equipment, and multiple complex stages. Compared to common industrial metals, manufacturing titanium is far more expensive and time-consuming. That's why researchers continue searching for better production methods. Some experimental systems aim to replace traditional chemical extraction with cleaner electrochemical techniques that could reduce energy use dramatically. If successful, future titanium production may become cheaper, faster, and more environmentally sustainable. And that could change entire industries, because demand for titanium continues growing. As aircraft become more advanced, medical technology improves, and new energy systems are developed, engineers keep finding new uses for this extraordinary metal. What makes titanium so fascinating is that it represents both natural difficulty and human ingenuity. Deep underground, titanium hides inside stubborn minerals that resist extraction at every stage. Yet humans developed ways to isolate it, refine it, and transform it into one of the most valuable engineering materials ever created. Every titanium object carries that hidden story inside it. Behind every aircraft turbine, surgical implant, or spacecraft component lies a manufacturing process involving chemistry, extreme heat, precision engineering, and decades of scientific innovation. Titanium isn't just another metal. It's proof that some of humanity's greatest achievements begin with solving problems nature never intended to make easy. Titanium is proof that some of humanity's greatest achievements come from solving impossible problems. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cinematic deep dives into science, engineering, and the hidden processes behind the modern world And if there's another material, machine, or technology you want explored next, let me know in the comments.